Previously on Max the Sensei.
Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the amazing islands here in Seychelles, the amazing tour. Is it worth going there? Yes, it is. Should you get this tour? No, you shouldn't.
I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. Yeah. I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah. You feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah.
Holy cow, you guys, what a view. Damn.
Yeah, you think you're how I look, I'm up on the moon. Yeah, got fresh to death and it came out of the tomb. That's cause I got a different.
Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm finally up. Today is gonna be an awesome day. It's super early in the morning, but today we're going to have a journey to these two beautiful islands out there in the sea. The sun is coming out nicely. It's a little humid today, but it's gonna be awesome.
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'm making.
All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. Today we are going to Le Digue and Le Praslin. It's two beautiful islands here in Seychelles that you need to see, and for that you need to wake up super early in the morning to avoid the traffic. All right, guys, good morning. Yesterday we were in Vallon beach at the marketplace and we found this guy that sells tickets to these two beautiful islands. It's early in the morning and we have to make it to marine charter by 7. What time is it now? It's 6:13. Google Maps says it's gonna take us around 30 minutes to get there, and I hope there's no traffic. I hope we can make it fast. We paid 140 euros per one person and the tour is going to be fantastic. Let's go ahead and see what it has to offer. What's the experience like? What kind of food are they gonna give us? And what kind of places are we going to discover today in beautiful Seychelles?
Show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I put it all on the line, just like I'm your one.
We thought the big one was our boat. The small one.
Feels not part of the plan. Taking the wheel into my own hands. Green on the signal, foot on the gas tonight. If I want to, I'll never learn. And if I want to watch me, I can.
Okay, everybody, welcome to the island of Vallon. There's two buses waiting for you. So remember, when you go out, please mind your head. Don't break the head on holiday. Alright, so we'll give you a water on the way out, okay? So enjoy yourself. We'll see you at 12 o'clock.
Thank you, Captain. Well, we finally made it to the other side. Island of Praslin. I still don't know how to pronounce it properly. I'm gonna put it on the screen as always.
Praslin.
Vallon National Park, and you can leave your bags in the bus.
What do we have here, baby?
Like the lizard will go to get the pollen on the male, then it will come on the female, so that they can do the process of pollination.
Alright, you guys, we have made it finally here. The first stop is this little place where they have a museum. Then right after the museum, a few steps down, they have this amazing big forest here. It's a nature reserve. The place is really gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's a lot of nature everywhere. We took some cappuccino because obviously woke up early in the morning, need some coffee. And now we're back on the bus. We took a few photos and moving on to location number 2. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, I think this entire trip was worth it. I was kind of doubting whether it was or not because the sea was super rough. Getting here was not easy. I'm gonna take it all back and say it's definitely worth coming here, you guys. Holy damn.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-da-da. Oh, today I am time traveling.
Holy cow, you guys, it's extremely gorgeous here, man. I swear to God, you guys need to come and check this place out. It's really something else. I've never seen anything so beautiful, honestly. Look at this view, man. Look at the waves. It's a true white sand beach. It's crazy. Baby, do you like this beach?
Oh my god. That's
crazy.
the most amazing beach I ever had.
Honestly, it's on par with Zanzibar, Jambiani. It's super beautiful as well. But this one, I don't know, it looks like a beach from one of those postcards, you know? This is the one. This is where they take that photo. Look at this. So gorgeous. Absolutely nuts.
I am time traveling. Da-dun-da-da. Oh, today I am time traveling. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Так, ну шкуля. Sweet cheese.
Cheese, baby.
I'll make you move like your boots are on fire. I'll make you jump like you touch a live wire.
All right, guys, dinner is done. It was really good, delicious. I quite liked it. My girl, she didn't really like the fish. She's very picky with the fish. But yeah, the restaurant is nice. The service is okay. Now we just took the bicycles and we're gonna go around this island and explore it and show you guys how the experience is. It's a very hot day, but so far so good. We didn't have rain so far, which is great. And one thing about this tour that I can tell you, it's super rushed. Like, that's one thing that I don't really like about it. It's super rushed. Like, every location that you go to, you literally spend 15 minutes and then you have to move. It's like crazy rushed. You eat fast, you move fast, constantly being pushed and rushed, you know? People are trying to get rid of you fast, you know? Just come on, go fast, you know? The service, I mentioned it, but it's not the best. The places are truly gorgeous, but the service and people are a little bit cold, you know what I mean? There's no ruh, there's no soul here, you know? It's very commercial.
Okay, can I take this plate? Is it done? Is it done? Are you done? Come on, yalla. Eat faster.
Yeah, this tour is crazy, honestly. But yeah, the tour lady is already gone. That's what I mean. It's like, it's super rushed here, man. We just finished eating. This tour is crazy, honestly. But anyway, we'll leave that to the side for now. And let's go explore this beautiful place, because the place is truly beautiful. So I chose to go with this little tricycle because obviously I got a bag. This is my girl's bicycle. Yalla, let's hop on our bikes. Let's go see what this place has to offer.
Move like your boots are on fire. I'll make you jump like you touch a live wire.
Jesus Christ, this bicycle is crooked.
I like to groove it. He likes to groove it.
Never again. I'm done.
You're gonna move it. You're gonna move it.
There's such a beautiful music in a church, we thought it's a wedding. I went in, I stuck my camera inside. It's not a wedding. I don't know, this day today seems to be going haywire. We're stuck with this stupid tricycle. We lost the group. We're lost in the middle of the island. I have no idea where we are. There's a funeral ceremony going on. We're in the middle of the Indian Ocean. What the hell are we doing here?
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'm making mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and
Bye bye. See
Bye
you
bye.
never.
See you never. We are back. Safe. Alive. I didn't puke. She didn't puke. It's a great success.
We are survivors.
God damn it, man.
No puking on the boat.
We had two people who gave up. Yeah, two people gave up. One lady in the back, one guy in front. Holy cow,
But
you guys.
I was at the back, but I didn't give up.
Tell them how rough was the sea.
Oh, that was my worst experience ever.
What a crazy ride, you guys. This ride on this little boat was absolutely nuts, okay? These two islands, are they beautiful, baby? Yes,
Yes.
they are. Are they amazing?
Yes.
Yes, they are. Is it worth going there? Yes, it is. Should you get this tour? No, you shouldn't.
I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on the cruise.
Here's the problem with this tour. If you want to see those two beautiful islands, go for it. You can see they're one of the most beautiful shores in the world, all right? You're gonna spend there 1 hour. There's another amazing beach. I mean, look at it. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. You're gonna spend here 15 minutes. Look, honestly, it's an amazing place. It's paradise on earth. These two islands, you need to go see them, honestly. You really need to go visit these islands. But please, do yourself a big favor and rent a room on one of these islands. It doesn't matter. And stay on that island for 2 days, at least 1 night, because you're not going to have any time to go explore it. But if you happen to get this tour, here's what you need to know. 1, it's very extreme. So tip number 1, don't eat too much. Don't stuff yourself too much, because on the way back, guarantee you're gonna puke. Tip number 2, you guys. On the island, they give you the chance to take either a bicycle or a golf cart. Get the golf cart. The bicycle is not gonna do you any good. It's a big island. You won't be able to go anywhere with that bicycle. Tip number 3, you guys, and this would be the last tip that I can tell you for today. What you need to remember is don't go with euros, don't go with dollars. Change it to local rupees and use cash. Highly recommend you guys go visit the place, but don't take that tour. In any case, guys, this has been your sensei. I'll see you tomorrow.
Ask me how I get this good. Oh, you can blame it on my attitude. Yeah, okay, baby, that's just my